Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you the common error absolutely, the word absolutely. So you can say this video about the grammatical mistake, or you can say the common error, the same thing. So I'm giving you an example. The first example, only one example I want to give you. So it is absolutely important that you see a doctor immediately. So you can see that I use the word absolutely. It is absolutely important. So you want to say you this sentence strong, very strong meanings. You want to say something very strong. It is absolutely important that you see a doctor immediately. So it is a grammatical mistake. It is a grammatical mistake. So this sentence is meaning as a very strong. So it is. So right answer is it is very important. It is very important that you see a doctor immediately. Important that you see a doctor immediately, or you can say it is it is it is absolutely essential that you that you that you see a doctor immediately. So here I'm using this it is absolutely, either use the absolutely essential. It is meaning very important, strong meaning, strong meaning. This is correct, and very important, this is also strong meaning. It is very correct. So I'm giving you the logic when you would use the word absolutely, and when you would use the absolutely meaning. Use absolutely, or completely, totally, utterly, or you can use the quite. By the time I was completely exhausted. So use absolutely. So you can use absolutely, or you can use the completely, completely, or you can use the totally, or you can use the utterly, or you can use the quite. So you can say the quite expensive, totally finish, completely finish, or you can say the absolutely finish at quite expensive or too expensive. So by the time I got home, I was completely exhausted. So you can say the completely exhaust, or totally exhaust, or quite exhaust. So don't use quite exhaust, the formal English. So you can use the completely or totally exhaust. With adjective which do not have a strong meaning, use very or extremely, not absolutely or completely, etc. But the time I got back home, I was very tired. So say again. With adjective which do not have a strong meaning, use very or extremely. So not strong meaning, use very, or extremely. So when you when the adjective in this sentence a strong meaning, use absolutely, completely, totally, utterly, quite, when it is a strong meaning. When this is a strong meaning. Strong meaning, use this one. When do not have any strong meaning, when do not have a not strong meaning, use very, or extremely. Because you see, the I was completely exhausted. When by the time I got home, I was completely, or you can say totally, TOTAL, completely, or you can say absolutely, literally exhaust. So this adjective exhaust, this adjective is very strong meaning. So it is absolutely important that you see a doctor immediately. But this sentence is not a very strong meaning. So don't use the absolutely when it is not, this sentence or this adjective in this sentence is not meaning to very strong. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new common error. Bye bye.